Hey guys, welcome back to the channel McNallie Money, your home of all things stock, investment, and personal finance related. In today's video, we're joined by the CFO of Intchains Group, Charles Yan, to talk about their recently reported earnings and their outlook for 2025. Very excited to get into today's presentation, but before we do, take a second, hit the like button, you guys. Big help to myself and the channel, specifically in getting this content to other people like you who may find value. If you're not already subscribed, McNallie Money, feel free to join and let us know in the comment section below if you've heard of Intchains Group before, if you're currently holding shares, and your outlook for the remainder of 2025. Now, with that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so that's right. Today's video, we're joined by the CFO, Charles Yan of Intchains Group Limited. This is Charles' first time on the channel. We've previously talked about this company, but they've got a very exciting roadmap for 2025 and just came out with earnings. So Charles, welcome to the channel.
Yeah, nice to meet you, everyone. Nice to meet you, Brian.
Yeah, it's great to have you on. Now, because it's your first time, do you mind giving us a quick introduction to yourself and how you started out at Intchains Group?
Okay, my name is Charles, and I work as CFO for Intchains Group. And before I joined Intchains Group, I was an auditor for 10 years. I worked in KPMG and Ernst & Young accountant firm for about 10 years. And in 2021, I'm attracted by the fascinating industry, the blockchain industry. So I joined the Intchains. Yeah, thank you.
That's great. Now, can you give us a high-level summary of what Intchains Group does for people who are maybe unfamiliar with the company?
Yeah. So we are a high-tech company based in China and Singapore. We have over 130 employees in China and Singapore, and 70% of them are R&D expertise. So we believe that innovation and application development is the future trends of the crypto industry. So we focused on altcoin area, but not Bitcoin. Yeah, our current business are divided to two segments. One is develop and sell altcoin crypto mining machines, and the other one is we use the cash accumulate. We use the cash profit to accumulate ETH.
And can you tell us a little bit more about the altcoin market? We cover a lot of Bitcoin companies on the channel. What is your outlook on the altcoin or crypto market this year?
Yeah. Thank you. Firstly, compared to Bitcoin, altcoin always have a relatively short life cycle, but for altcoin mining, it may offer a higher return compared with Bitcoin mining. So of course, a higher return means higher risk. So for miners, they may possess greater challenges in terms of the project insight and the understanding of the related altcoin projects. So currently, our major customer are individual miners who have a deeper understanding of the related projects, and also they have a more higher return expectation. Home mining rigs will give people a relatively lower barrier. They don't need to search for a mining farm to place their miners. They can mine at home, and without the noise and excessive energy consumption. So our home miner series are ideal choice for the individual customers. Yeah, thank you.
Now, with the home miner series, what is the most popular altcoin to mine right now?
Yeah, currently, first and foremost, it's definitely the Dogecoin and Litecoin. These two coins, they share same algorithm, and they can actually be mined at the same time, which means you mine Litecoin, the Dogecoin will become a bonus. But now Dogecoin benefit more, and Litecoin as a bonus. You can think about this. Yeah. So both coins have been survived for over 10 years. They have a long history. They have a strong consensus and communities, and now they both have a short-term positive outlooks. As POW coins, both projects are expected to see ETF approval in this year. So, and the Dogecoin in particular are supported by Elon Musk, and is known as King of Memes. So, from a mining profitability perspective, currently mining Dogecoin and Litecoin is a more profitable choice than Bitcoin. So I think it is the second best option for mining. And secondly, other mining projects like Cassper, like Alfim, or like our Aleo mining, they may experience a significant price surge within a relatively short period. So, for example, in last year and in 2023, we can see a bigger boom in Cassper mining. Yeah. Similarly, our newly launched Aleo miner presents a fresh opportunity too. So these opportunities are relatively new, and then mining these coins can offer explosive returns. But the miners need to be mindful of the risks, because their price may be experience a significant fluctuation in a short term. So as always, I think do your own research if you want to engage in an altcoin mining activity. So do your own research on every crypto project. Thank you.
Of course, yeah. Now, you just mentioned you're a Aleo miner. I know this was a big announcement from Intchains Group. Can you talk to us about the Aleo mining series and what this opportunity represents?
Yeah. Yes, we are currently the only company in the market offering Aleo ASIC miners. Currently, we offer two home miners, and with power consumption around 400 watts. They can mine approximately 50 to 60 Aleo tokens per day, and translate to dollar output is about $20 per day. So $20 means $20 exceed most mining machines in the market. So with their home use design, we have only 400 watts. It's a low electricity consumption. So with this design, these products are most efficient home miner in the world currently. It's an excellent choice for individual users. And these two products were launched in early February, and we'll expect have a long-term growth in the future. Aleo project, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, very exciting. Now, another aspect of the business I wanted you to talk about was your Ethereum exposure. You guys hold Ethereum on your balance sheet. Can you talk to us a little bit about that strategy?
Yeah. Our strategy of accumulate ETH is based on our belief that Ethereum presents the market beta of the blockchain industry. We are confident that crypto will continue to evolve in terms of the application development and innovation. So rather than just being seen as a casino at present, Ethereum is currently the coin that best represents the innovation at the application layer. So we believe in the industry, so we believe in ETH. So in a sense, we can be seen as Ethereum version of MicroStrategy. So, however, we primarily using operating cash, which generates operating cash flow generated from our altcoin mining sales to accumulate ETH, and we accumulate ETH through a dollar cost average approach. So the pace may be not very fast, and but not very slow. Currently, we hold over 10% of our company's asset in ETH. The number is about 5,700 units of ETH. And we think the ETH accumulating strategy will continue, and the accumulated quantity of ETH will steadily increase over time.
Sure. And are you guys staking that Ethereum as well?
Yes, of course, we will stake in Ethereum. Yeah.
Okay, great. Now, I know Q4 earnings were also recently reported from Intchains Group. Do you mind walking us through some of the high-level numbers and highlights from your earnings?
Yeah, of course. Our Q4 performance was outstanding, I think. Yeah, it's driven by Trump trade effect. And our sales volume surged by about 300% year over year. The revenue was about $10 million and increased about 109%, 109% year over year in revenue. And our adjusted net income was $2 million and increased by 55% year over year. This is our first quarter performance. And this quarter primary product was our Dogecoin mining rigs. While for prior quarters, our products are Casspa and Alephium mining products. So Casspa and Alephium miner, they will have a higher margin, and for Dogecoin, they may, as I mentioned before, Casspa and Alephium have explosive mining returns, and of course, bring our mining machines a higher margin. But in this quarter, we sell Dogecoin, yeah, so we have a bigger amount, but relatively low margin compared with Casspa and Alephium. Although we can see Dogecoin have a triple price increase after the Trump's election, the unit price of our Dogecoin mining rigs will not follow the Dogecoin price upward adjustment. But in this quarter and Q1 2025, we adjusted the price. We didn't adjust the price the client to earn more money. Yeah, we don't want to adjust the price immediately after the Trump's election. We just want to give this profit to our client, and we will adjust our price in our next production cycle. So this will result in a lower overall gross margin compared with previous quarter, but it's totally okay. I think it's a long-term strategy for our Dogecoin mining machines. And for the expense perspective, we invested over $4 million in developing new machines in the fourth quarter, so which will turn into revenue in this quarter. So this expense including the development of the Aleo miners, which will give us a solid foundation of the better performance for this quarter. So with these factors, we are very confident in delivering even a stronger result in Q1 and first half of 2025.
Yeah, I'm glad you explained the margins there and some of that deferred revenue as well. Now, you mentioned 2025 is going to be a big year ahead. I know you guys have plans to upgrade your Doge miners. You just launched the Aleo miner. Can you talk to us about looking forward 2025 upcoming catalysts?
Yeah, I believe 2025 will be a promising year in crypto market, with the crypto industry in a better position than ever before. For the upcoming catalysts, firstly, we see more than 20 U.S. states discussing Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset, and secondly, following the approval of Bitcoin and Ethereum, an increasing number of cryptocurrencies are applying ETFs, including Litecoin and Dogecoin. So this indicates that the user base of the crypto market or altcoin market is undergoing a fundamental shift, expanding from niche early adopter to a broader mainstream audience. So this is a big move for the altcoin market. So on the other hand, the application layer development is not as strong as we expected. So it's not as strong as previous cycles. So which is the main reason why altcoin have yet to experience expected breakout. However, we believe that as new technology like zero knowledge proofs and some other new technologies be widely known and applied in many projects, and also new applications like AI agents are continue to accumulate their momentum. So these new technology and new applications will sooner or later result in altcoin market having a major breakout. And maybe this time will last longer than ever before. Thank you.
That's good. Now, I know we've covered a lot today. We've talked about Doge, Litecoin, obviously the Aleo miner earnings. Is there anything else we've missed here? I wanted to give you an opportunity to close out and maybe touch on anything we've not talked about yet.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, in addition to the altcoin mining machine business and the ETH accumulation business, we are also working on some applications, Web3 applications. Just for example, last Friday, we launched our hardware wallet, which allows transferring crypto without the need for a network, making funds more secure. Similar to this, we will continue to develop such applications in the future. But we hope in the long term, we hope to grow alongside in the blockchain industry. Yeah, we think the industry is still in early stage. Yeah, we want to grow alongside in the industry. Thank you.
Excellent. You guys, let us know in the comment section below if you have any additional questions, if you're currently holding shares of Intchains Group and your outlook for 2025. Charles, thank you for taking the time today to walk us through your business model. We'll make sure we leave your website linked below as well if people want to take a closer look, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.